If you want to set a custom notification sound on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, what you need to do is, first of all, we need to open the My Files app, which is the file manager that we have on this tablet. We're gonna go to audio files over here, and you should be able to, of course, find your audio file that you wish to set as the custom notification sound. We're gonna press and hold our finger on the sound that you want to use in order to select it, and then once it is selected, you want to choose Move at the bottom over here. Make sure that the internal storage is selected. You can tap again in order to go to all these folders, and we want to choose Notifications folder, and then choose to move over here. Once it is done, we're gonna go to Settings. On the left side, go to Sounds and Vibration. Now open Notification Sound, and then on this list you should be able to find your custom notification sound at the top, pretty much at the top of this list, so then you can select it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.